Question number 16, exercise 6.3, triangle chapter. We have two triangles here, triangle ABC and triangle PQR. ED is the median to triangle ABC and PM is the median to triangle PQR. And here given ABC is similar to triangle PQR. What we need to prove? AB divided by PQ. AB divided by PQ is equal to AD by PM. That's the one we need to prove. AB by PQ is equal to AD by PM. So it's here include AD and PM. So we can prove this simply by proving triangles A1 and 2 are similar. Triangle ABD similar to triangle PQM. Then by the similarity property we can write AB divided by PQ is equal to AD divided by PM. This is the method. Okay, so here for that what is given here, D is the midpoint. So if D is the midpoint, what we can write here, BD equal to CD, which is equal to BC by 2, equation number 1. Similarly, M is the midpoint, so we have another set of equation, QM equal to MR equal to QR by 2, equation 2. Okay, so same way we can arrange BC is equal to 2 into BD or BC or CD. We can later we'll be using this one. Now also it is given triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. So let us start with that. Triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. Okay, so if then we can write the corresponding sides are in similar equal ratio. So AB divided by PQ is equal to BC divided by QR, which is equal to AC divided by PR. Okay, so this is equation number 3. Now from equation 1, what is BC? BC is equal to 2 times BD, and from 2 what is QR? QR is equal to 2 times QM. So apply this to equation number 3 to the center term. We can rearrange into AB divided by PQ equal to BC. I am going to write 2BD. 2BD divided by QR. I am going to write with the 2QM equal to AC divided by PR. So this first 2 terms in this equation we can rearrange as AB divided by PQ is equal to 2 cancel, BD divided by QM. Okay, so let it be equation number 4. Also here it is given triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. So we have corresponding angles equal. So we have here angle A is equal to angle P, angle B equal to angle Q. Say let it be equation number 5, let it be equation number 6. Here we want to use this equation so that equation 4 and equation 6 if you combine, okay, in 2 triangle corresponding sides are in similar ratio, AB and PQ, BD and QM, and their included angles are equal. That means this condition, angle B is equal to angle Q. We can write triangle ABD is similar to triangle PQM. Understood? So we have the result 4 and 6 that utilized to prove triangle ABD. Triangle number 1 is similar to triangle number 2. So then what you say, by similarity property, if 2 triangles are similar, what we can write here, corresponding sides in similar ratio. So AB divided by PQ equal to these two sides, AD divided by PM. AD divided by PM, which is equal to BD divided by QM. Anyway, we want first two terms, that is, we already proved AB divided by PQ is equal to AD divided by PM.